If you spend a lot of time at home or work from home, I really recommend getting one of these CO2 monitors. Most of us never think about the air we're breathing, but it can make a big difference how we feel. You're gonna get in the box the device and the user manual. I wanna say a few things about the device and then I'll show you how you can set up the device. I picked up this plug-in CO2 monitor because I wanted an easy way to check the air quality inside my house. The nice thing is that there are no batteries to charge or replace. You just plug into the wall outlet and it starts working right away. As you can see, the screen is bright and very easy to read. It shows three things at the same time: your CO2 level, the room temperature and the humidity. Everything is on one screen, so you can see it with just a quick look. Okay, so there are three buttons on the device. The first one is for the brightness. There are three levels of brightness. This one, the first one is bright, this one is dim, and then you can turn it off. I'll put it back on. The second one is for the temperature. It's default set up to Fahrenheit. When you double click it, it will change to Celsius. It's here down. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll put it back on the Fahrenheit now. And this one, it's if you want to turn off the buzzer, the alarm. Right now it's off. If you press it once, you can turn it on. So you can flip the device and put it up. It depends how is your power outlet setup. Once you plug it in, you will need to flip the screen now. You need to hold the alarm button for 5 seconds and the screen will flip. There we go. The monitor updates every couple of seconds and you are always seeing current readings instead of old information. As you can see, it's also very compact, so you can move it from room to room. You can use it in your bedroom, living room, home office, basement, garage, or even take it with you when you travel. I think this is a really useful little device. It's simple to use. The display is easy to read and it gives you a better idea of the air you're breathing every day.